Hello, this is Veronica at Jamf, and in this lesson, we'll be discussing apps in Jamf Now. There are 3 different types of apps you can deploy with Jamf Now. App Store apps, including any B2B apps made available in Apple Business Manager, in-house iOS apps, and .pkg files for your Macs. Custom apps are available for deployment in Jamf Now Plus. Let's start with App Store apps. In order to push apps over the air to your devices, you'll need to sign up for Volume Apps and Books at business.apple.com. This will allow you to push apps to devices without the need for an Apple ID, as well as maintain ownership over paid apps, and push any B2B apps that have been made available to you by a developer. Pro tip, purchase some free or paid apps at business.apple.com before uploading your token to Jamf Now. To upload your token, click Volume Purchasing in the left-hand menu of Jamf Now and click Get Started. Select Apple Business Manager and click Next. The next page will direct you to sign in to Apple Business Manager. Click Settings, then Apps and Books, and click Download for your location under My Server Tokens. You can then upload that token into Jamf Now by clicking Next and dragging your token into the screen. Select your country, and don't forget to save your Apple ID, as this token must be updated yearly. All of your purchased apps will be made available via the Apps section of Jamf Now. You can keep an eye on how many licenses you still have available for each app. If you need to purchase more licenses, simply click the menu for that specific app and click Purchase Licenses. This will send you to Apple Business Manager to complete your purchase. To add a new app, click Add an App at the top of the screen. You can search by type, either iOS or macOS apps. When you find the app you'd like to purchase, click Add to My Apps. This will direct you to Apple Business Manager to complete your purchase. Once your purchase is complete, be sure to click Sync to pull in your newly purchased licenses. Custom iOS apps and .pkgs for Macs require developer provisioning profiles as well as distribution certificates. If you are working with a developer on a custom app, they should sign the app with their credentials before sharing it with you for upload into Jamf Now. If you're creating your own app, please sign up for Apple's developer program to create your provisioning profiles and distribution certificates. For more information, visit apple.com or the Jamf Now Help Center. To deploy an in-house or custom iOS app, click Add an App, then click Upload your app. Simply drag your .ipa file into the Jamf Now window and click Done when uploaded. This will make it available in your list of apps to assign to devices, either via blueprints, or individually in a device inventory record. The last type of app we can deploy with Jamf Now is a .pkg file for macOS. You can upload your .pkg just like we did with our .ipa file. You'll have the option to rename your package before clicking Done. Lastly, to edit your app settings, click More Settings in the left-hand menu of Jamf Now, then Apps to open up your options. Here you can select to automatically update apps. This way Jamf Now will update any App Store apps as they get published to the App Store. You can also choose to update an app individually per device within an inventory record, or for a group of devices within any given blueprint. You'll also want to decide on your deployment strategy. If users are leveraging their personal Apple ID, be sure to check Sync Apple ID with volume purchasing during enrollment. This will temporarily assign an app to a user's personal Apple ID with the ability to reclaim that license at any time by removing it from the device. If you'd like to push an app to a device without the need for an Apple ID, perhaps for a shared use scenario, simply check the box for device-based app assignment. This will push apps directly to the device if there is no Apple ID signed in. As you deploy apps, you may experience miscommunication between Apple Business Manager and Jamf Now, causing app downloads to fail. To troubleshoot app deployments, find the device that needs support. Click iOS or macOS apps in the device inventory record. If an app says app install failed, click the 3 dots for that app and click Reinstall App on Device to try deploying again. Some other app statuses you'll find include installed, not managed, which means the user has the app on the device, but it was not installed by Jamf Now. No worries, you can click the 3 dots for that app and convert to managed to be sure the app is managed by Jamf Now. To view all other app status descriptions, please navigate to support.jamfnow.com. That's all on the lesson for apps in Jamf Now. Thanks for watching.